starts. Now you can proceed.
Okay, so good evening, sir. Good evening, one and all presenter. So, sir, actually, we're gonna present an act, and which shouldn't be offended. It's just for an entertainment. And before saying that, I would like to say the team name is Phoenix, and we're gonna uh, perform an act regarding rebooting India. That's a book written by Viral Shah and Nandan Nilkani, sir. So this act will be just entertaining. So it shouldn't be boring for audience who watch it, and it should be a justification for them why the book is. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll continue, sir.
Mm.
The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Hello, good evening, one and all present here. I'm Yamini Rajkumar, and today's session host here. And let's have a good session here. And by welcoming Nandan Nilkani and Viral Bisha, and yes, Samar Alankar. Firstly, such a well-known Bangalorean and entrepreneur and a visionary in a food sector, and yes, as we all know, our rebooting Indian author. So let's have a great applause to Nandan Nilkani. And yes, our co-author Viral Shah, a founding partner of Julia and Computing, worked at intersection of policy and technology at UIDAI, and holds PhD in computer science, that too in University of California. Let's welcome Viral Shah. Let's have a great applause, guys. And yes, now moderating this session is well known by edited Hindustan Times, contributes to Mint business newspaper from the Hindustan Times. Yes, that's Samar Alankar. Let's have a great applause, guys.
Thank you, Yamini. I just had a nice samosa. It was really tasty, and I seriously curse you, Yamini, for calling me so soon for this session.
Really sorry, Yami.
Yes, sir. It's okay. By the way, both of you, Nandan and Viral, you would have tasted it before entering into this talk. There is a saying that we should take a big brunch before starting a talk. Yes, jokes apart, we are here to honor you both for this warm and beautiful session. Yes, Nandan, how did you just decide, both of you, to enter and uh, withhold this government by just you have written a book called Rebooting India with the help of government? And especially each one of us want have a curious to know it, and even butterflies are flying in their stomachs, especially the government, and especially the people in the Bangalore, mainly the Bangalore, and the people, those who are waiting for startups in India. Is Nandan?
No, I don't think so, because you know how difficult it is to find a very intelligent, smart, and very handsome person like me. Okay, so as you know, I'm a diet conscious. Uh, it is, but jokes apart, I would say that in order to make a viral, you should have a proper planning before it, and you should have a strategy, backup strategy, and whenever you do a work, you should your mind should be set there to do a work. Only then there will form a team, and you can be a successful one.
Yes. As Nandan didn't mention, he had created a technology for an Aadhaar, which was a big hurdles in India. And coming to a rebooting of India, what are the obstacles you have gone through with the government?
See, whenever you start a new technology or firm or whatever it is, you would have a lot of obstacles to face. But when you have a proper team, you would need to achieve it with a good way. So we as a team, we had some few talented people like Razvi, Neha, and Sailesh. They all were a good team, and we had a domestic people uh, Ruben, Sanket. Yeah, this is how, and we also have a chairman. Sorry, I forgot his name. His name is uh, Sailesh. Yeah, he's the person who's behind all this. And last but not the least, Viral, who joined us our team the last moment and just gave a boost to the situation.
Yeah, and I heard Viral was out of these before meeting Nandan, as he was playing PUBG and Fizzbuzz and Frisbee, and even he was bunking the classes. He was just a keen in computers and technology. Yes, Viral, you just have to answer this question. Apart from all this, how did you got an PhD? And it is a great and true inspiration for the backbenchers sitting behind you. What do you say about it?
Oh yeah, I was playful, no doubt in that at all. Unfortunately, I met Nandan at a visa renewal where I had been to Bangalore. I've already been following Nandan from a very long time, and I heard about this conference, and I had to go for this conference. It was a mandatory thing for me
Oh.
there.
I heard that you didn't have a salary for few months.
Oh yes, while I was working, I didn't have salary for 9 whole months. If you guys
Oh.
think about it, it is actually listening to that is very hard. And going through that 9 months without salary, it was almost like going under bankruptcy actually.
Yeah, Nandan, let us know how you both have approached this book.
So just I wanted to get on new technologies to the country. As you know, there is a lot of issues when you get in a technology, but I've gotten many of technologies and implemented. One of it is RFID, which was very helpful to the trucks and the cars. And this is a country where, not even our country, where whenever you want to implement or get some new technology, you need to have a support of higher authority for sure. So recently I had met many politicians who guided me, to motivated me to bring this updated or new technology. One of this is I would thank Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Baba sir for supporting me, for motivating and getting this technology in the system.
Yeah.
Even now,
Viral,
few
can you
people
add some
tend
points?
to follow old rules and regulations. I don't know why this is happening in India right now.
So you both think you have made a successful with this book called Rebooting India?
Sama, wait. Actually, I'm a human. Okay, I need such somewhat break. It's been long hours where I'm talking. I'm already tired. I'm fed up. So let me get some water or something to drink. Why don't you conclude it now? And maybe there's waiting someone for you. Before that, order me a tea or coffee with a good quality, because I'm a diet conscious. So make sure you get it a good coffee. And uh, as I'm attending lot of meetings, I'm already tired. Make sure you conclude it as soon as possible. Ah,
Okay. Nandan, would you like to have some juice with sugar or sugarless, as you seem to be a diabetic?
no, I would prefer sugarless, because I don't want. I hope so. I don't get diabetics in the future.
Great.
Yes. What about you, Viral?
Oh, I just landed today morning in India and you directly took me to this conference and you don't even have a water bottle kept here. What do you suggest me to have around here? There's not even a single drop of water kept in front of me. Is there any better place you guys know that we can have a good food at least? I've been hungry from
Yeah.
morning. I need a heavy lunch at least.
Oh, yeah, I have a nice place where I am a regular customer. We can go there and have a lunch.
Okay, please do that.
Okay, now let's have a short break. Let all three have a short break and come. We'll begin as soon as possible. Now the restaurant scene.
Ah, thank you so much for the wonderful food here. Thank you so much. I'm heavily full now.
Yeah, that's okay.
Looking at the time, I think we're running out of time. So let's just take the bill and leave, right?
Hey, actually, I forgot my wallet and mobile. Viral, could you please pay my bill as well?
How
I'll just
ridiculous
Google
are you
Pay it.
right now? How ridiculous. You got us you got us here to your favorite place. And the food is over also. it's your favorite place, right? I think you have an account here. So why don't you put the bill under the account and you can clear it in the month end?
I
Won't
don't
be an
even
issue.
have a Facebook account. Why will I have an account here?
How?
Hey guys, stop it. It's already time for guys. Please, it's already time for the session. So, Viral, somehow you're paying the money for the. Why don't you pay my money? I will pay you later.
Okay, so this is where you were about to come on to. Okay. Fine. Anyway, let me pay and please pay it by the end of the session, guys.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'll just
Yeah.
try to pay. Okay.
Hello, guys. You eaten in my money, so please pay it and then leave the session. Thank you.
We'll think of it.
Sure.
Okay. Now back to the session.
Okay. As somewhat you were asking about the last time question, so I'll just answer to the point. So as government is coming with new technology, you can see have been implemented a lot. So even government has come up with like technologies like GST and subsidies, which is quite helping the people. So it is very rare to see such types of, and I would suggest there would be lot more implementation of new technology from my side, and it will surely help the people in the future.
Oh, yes, I agree to that 100%. So what he said was all our teams who are behind this, all Sanket, Shailesh, Neha, Faiz and everyone. And how can I forget my government leaders, Mr. Baba sir, Mr. Joseph Charles sir, Ravindran sir, Sheeja ma'am. How can I forget all these? These guys were the back support pushing us forward. So please keep supporting and motivating us from the behind.
Okay. As it is time up, we will end this talk here.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Viral and Nandan. It was really honorable to have you both here. And yes, thank you so much, Samar Alankar, and taking out your time and being an interviewer here. Thank you so much. You three were superb, made the session very grateful, very entertaining to us. Thank you so much. And yes, thank you for our sponsor, Baba sir, our organizer, Ravindran sir, and our team volunteers, Santosh, Sunil, Yamini Rajkumar, and Yamini Kalivela. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.
Good.
Oh, hold
you.
on, Tamar. Please pay that rest of the bill on GPay or PhonePe. Please do that before you leave.
I will try, yaar. I will try.
Okay.
Good.
Viral, don't be so stingy. We'll pay you back.
Or else you can take a treat. Viral. No issues.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We'll go through the LinkedIn post.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir. That's it.
Now you can go
Thank
to
you,
your social media.
Yes, sir.
Who
Shall I
is,
share the screen?
Yes, I already given permission.
Yes, sir. So this is our poster regarding rebooting India. And this is the LinkedIn post in Sunil's LinkedIn account. We have 166 views and 1 comment and 22 likes in Sunil's account. Next, this is Santosh Babu's LinkedIn profile. And here he have 210 views, 2 comments and 36 likes. This is my account, Yamini Kalvela's account. We have 331 views and 14 comments and 43 likes. This is Yamini Rajkumar's account. We have 328 views, 12 comments and 41 likes. This is our Instagram profile where we have 102 followers and we have done 2 posts. This is the post of our Rebooting India poster. And here we have more than 74 likes. Thank you, sir.
Good. So very nice presentation. Actually, this looks like a nice drama. That's what we expect. Only thing you are in online. If you are having a nice stage, all of you will act good. I appreciate all of you. And another plus point, you integrated other students also. I think even Santosh sent me as a Yediyurappa. Yes, but this other thing. Yes, I did not want to
the
be that
direct
one.
Yamini,
Don't
sir.
worry. Yes, anyhow, I like that one, but the political issues you can avoid because we will post in the YouTube. No, very nice. It looks nice
Okay.
and very good. Important thing. You already integrated all students who helped us. I think so. That is another plus point. Integrate, and you mentioned the name. And Yamini Rajkumar, she started with the nice intro. That's also very nice. And then the Yamini Kalula, she also did nice moderation. All of them are in smiling face. Only
Yes,
thing
sir.
Santosh Babu sometimes little sad. Because his role is like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise, nice. First, Sunil is having some fear. When at the beginning stage, he is having some fear and he used how you like. Then within few seconds, everything went out and it went nicely. Okay, very good. And moderation is also good. And the contest is also good. In my view, you choreograph the context. That
Yes,
I
sir.
like that. That is nice. I think you had a nice practice time.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Good. Very good.
Morning and practicing.
Hmm. As other students, you have to appreciate them in case of all these things. Okay? There is no clapping, applause from other students. You have to motivate others. Huh? Good. Nice team. Appreciate all the 4 members and your team. Okay, Ba. Good.
Thank you for
Thank you, sir.
sponsoring us, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Hmm.
Good evening, sir. Today we are here to enact on a play called Messi Meets President Obama, where Messi is the youngest presidential expert, probably a 5 to 7 years old kid who knows everything about the president and is now waiting in the studio of the Ellen to speak to the president. And this is it is happening in the most famous Ellen show. And I am the director of the script. And Venkat is acting as President Obama. Spurti is playing the Mrs. role. And Sneha as Ellen. Okay, Sneha, start.
Okay, let's start. We are back with President Barack Obama, and we have a little presidential expert, and she has never met president before, and her name is Messi Hensley. I would like to meet her.
Even I want to meet her.
Yeah, okay. Let's welcome Messi. Messi, come on.
How are you doing, Messi?
Good, thank you.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Can you believe it? Messi, can you believe it?
No,
I mean that when I said you that you are going to meet president, you are like, I can't believe it.
You know so much about presidents.
yeah,
Yeah, that's amazing. Like,
yeah.
Just tell something about Roosevelt, Messi.
Which one?
Oh, that's a great. Whichever you wanna ask him.
you are saying actually a good point.
Which you ask whichever you wanna ask him. How about yours?
All right. So, like after his mom and grandma died, you want to be a cowboy?
Did you know that?
You know, I got to say something about Teddy Roosevelt. Teddy Roosevelt was one of my favorite presidents. Actually,
Yep.
he lived a super exciting life, didn't he?
Yeah.
So do you have any questions? Because this is a big movement. You can ask whatever you wanna ask to the president.
Is there really any books of secret?
Yeah, that's a secret.
Yeah.
Yeah, like what kind of secrets do you wanna know? And what would be in the books of secrets?
A fairy of you.
Well, what do you think?
After watching this TV show, I think aliens are real.
Okay, well,
Which TV show is that?
I think it's called the American Books of Secret.
yeah, there you go.
Well, it seems like somebody spills the secrets already.
Yeah, I thought that was classified.
Yeah, that's a book so secret, and it is a TV show also. Right?
Yeah, well, the truth is, Messi, we haven't actually directly had a direct contact with aliens. But when we do, I'll let you know. It's okay.
All right.
So yeah, what else?
So your dogs even have a secret service?
No, Bo and Sunny, they are on their own. But seriously, we don't let them into the White House. Unless they are with us, they are protective.
So, and are you still using Elimbo?
You know, LM balls are somewhere. I mean, I'm sorry, but Bo and Sunny, they are,
Oh, give me my turn back.
you know, Bo and Sunny have their own favorite balls, but they don't want to have the LM balls. But sometimes you know that I'll be using the LM balls, and I like to use those LM balls.
Don't you use social media all the time?
Yeah, once in the night time, I saw that Snapchat was attracting teenagers. So that once I asked my daughter to introduce about what is that Snapchat. She told like I'm taking pictures and sending it to friends, and was saying that my dad is lecturing about Snapchat and something is going to explain about social media, etc.
When was the last time you drew?
Last time, when my staffer bought that electric car, I was super much excited to drive that car. So I just grabbed the keys from the staffer and I was circling at the south plan. And my security guard services was signaling me to told that no matter what you do, but you do not drive. So that was pretty upset with me.
I heard that you love reading books. Which would be your favorite book?
Yeah, well, I think Promised Land is a pretty good book. I was enjoying by reading this book. Hope you will be reading and you will be enjoying same as much as I do.
What are your hobbies?
It's in the sense I like basketball, watching TV series. Game of Thrones is one of my one of my favorite one, and I am fan of this Game of Thrones.
All right, Messi, if you have any more questions, you can ask him after the show over. Do you have any one last question you want to ask him?
No.
You know, I wish you were the reporter. That would be great. Like if I were in a press conference and if I ask any questions, you say no.
Yeah, that would be great.
You know, I bought something that for you because you are such a presidential expert. And so this is a presidential. So whenever president goes, he will be carrying out this year. So I have signed it on the back. So in case if you want to become a president, you don't need to buy a new one. So you will be all set.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Oh,
You're so
Messi
smart,
was so
Messi.
great. Yeah, she's so great and she's so pretty.
Yeah, Messi.
Messi,
You are a
are
big
you
round of
happy
applause.
now? Yeah, we have to. Messi, are you happy?
Yeah, of course I am happy.
Nice to meet
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Good. Now your social media. What, Sagar? You are not talking. You are only the director.
Sir, actually, the dialogues were less, sir, because due to the less number of roles, so we congested it.
Okay. But both of you background is nice. Huh?
Thank you.
So,
This is the
Venkat, you are
actual background used. This was the actual background used in the show, sir. Even.
Yes. Venkat, you are using mobile phone with background?
Yeah, some mobile phone.
Okay.
Sir, can you see my screen, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. This is our Instagram account, sir. We currently have 106 followers and 37 following, sir. And 124 likes and 6 comments on that.
But I didn't notice in the LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, I did not tag you, so sorry for that. From this
No
week.
problem.
And and this is my LinkedIn account, sir. We have 147 views and 83 connections. So 25 reactions, sir.
Good. 147 views.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
And this is Venkat Durga Prasad, sir. He has 87 views and 1 comment, 12 reactions.
What is that comment? Who gave comment? Venkat?
It is by class here, sir. Yamini Kalivela.
Okay.
And this one is Sneha, sir. She has 103 views and 4 comments, sir. 11 reactions.
Yes, who have given the comments?
It is from Vatsala and Milliam, sir.
Okay.
And one more is Yamini.
Okay,
And this
good.
is Purti, sir. 79 views and 12 reactions.
Okay.
And one more thing I would like to note it, sir, because our Instagram account has more than 10 followers from foreign.
Oh, good.
Yes, sir.
Who are all those persons?
Sir, according to me, I can't figure out, sir, because we none of them know them. But one is my relative, I can share that. And rest of them, we don't even know them.
Oh, through your relative you leveraged.
Yes, sir. I think so because of using the hashtags and all, we got, sir.
Okay, good, Sagar. Okay, good. Another nice presentation, and they presented a nice story, but only thing more dialogue, action is less. Of course, good. Everything they prepared well, a nice thing. I expect some action also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Next
Other
time we will
than even the Venkat acting is very good, but somewhat slow since this is the first one, and Sneha very fast. Good. It is like an American slang, and Venkat is an Indian. It seems like that. Purti, I think she is missing now. She also presented as a nice guest. First, as usual, she was having some fear. Then everything went on well. I think everybody can use the same background what Sagar is using. That is my thing, recommendation. Otherwise, everything went on well. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now, yes.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. So today we are going to enact a part of what lies ahead of Indian economy. That the two people that we are going to enact is Raghuram Rajan, who is the governor of RBI, and our interviewer Srinivasan. Pramod is enacting as a governor, Raghuram Rajan, and Prajwal is enacting as an interviewer. Before we go ahead, I would like to give some brief introduction about our Indian economy. It's been a tough year for one of the world's largest economies. India, the member of advancing BRIC country, along with Brazil, Russia, and China, is struggling to keep its reputation as a growing economic power, but growth has slowed to less than 5% a year since 2011. The rupees has lost more than 5% its value this year, and inflation surged above 11% in November month, with shortly hiring prices on fruits and vegetables, making a life especially hard on poor people. Now we are all going to witness an interview with our honorable guest, Raghuram Rajan. Over to you, Prajwal.
Hello, everyone. Here we interacting with the governor of RBI, Raghuram Rajan. And we are interested to know about what exactly what happened, what lies ahead for the Indian economy. And here, welcome to the show, sir, Raghuram Rajan.
Okay.
Here your first question. Help us, the audience members, understand how two economies are connected when the Fed chairman. This is summer announced that we would begin tapering contributing rupee declining in value against the dollar to a new record low. How does what happened in the Fed affecting Indian economy?
Well, we had number of years where very low interest rates were given in United States. What happens is there the money looks for new place to invest in, and a lot of money comes looking for returns to place like India, where they get more interest rate for the amount they have invested. Fortunately, for us a lot of money that has come in the form of overseas and being in equity market rather than debt market, but we also got some of the money into Indian debts. So when Fed says that they are going to rise the interest rate, what happened is that what are the people thought that there is no in the interest rate. So the interest rate which was given by Indian equity market was not so attractive for them. So they thought of bringing back their money and put it in the US debt, which they did not pay high interest rate. And by this, we got a reversal of flow. That means reversal of flow means that they sell rupee by dollar and rupee value has been come down by this. Basically,
Okay.
it was a wake-up call for us, so that we should not overly depend on foreign money than ours.
Okay. Years ago, there was a notion that developing countries were going to the new engine. Now you see the BRIC countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and kind of the slowing down the bit of India growing half of the rate a couple of years ago. Are we waiting for a larger economy become a power of the steam engine again? Can India rebound on its own?
I think everyone is looking for a new model of growth, and I think India is gonna discover that model of growth all the time. And the model requires doing things in a little different way, like more investment, less consumption, and more effective implementation of large projects.
I think disruption has been disconnected.
No, sir.
Pramod name is, I think Pramod has been disconnected. His name is not appearing. Okay, anyhow, don't worry. You can conclude. We'll have the next session some other day.
Okay, sir. Can you, Roja? Can you hear me? Roja, can you hear me?
Yeah, just one minute.
Okay, let's proceed the LinkedIn profile.
Pramod was going to share that.
Okay.
Pramod name is not appearing. I think he has been disconnected. That is why you can conclude and we'll have something separately.
Okay, Roja, you can proceed the LinkedIn profile. He has to share the present screen, sir. So
okay.
Pramod was going to share presentations.
Okay, then leave it.
Okay,
We'll have in some other day. Okay.
Okay,
next
sir.
round we'll have. Okay, we'll go for the next meeting. Next one. Don't worry, Prajwal. We'll have on next week.
Okay, sir. We shared the posters on the Instagram profile, sir. We got around 67 more than 67 likes and 20 comments, sir. I'm posting the LinkedIn profile, sir, and I got 154 views and 24 reactions and 2 comments, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, anyhow, you'll have a short presentation for your team later.
Sorry, sir. We come up with the best next round, sir.
Yes. Okay, but don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Begin. Start.
Good evening, sir, and good evening to one and all present here. So here we, the team Captivators crew, today we would like to do a role play on the discussion about India's role in the world, which was held in the World Economic Forum. So here the roles are played by, we have Vignesh playing the role of Minister of Commerce, Vicky as the Sir Martin Sorrell, and Vasavi will be playing the roles of SBI chairman as well as Ms. Chetna, who is founder of Mandeji Foundation. So, and I'll be playing the role of the host. for this discussion forum. So here we start. Good evening to one and all, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a conversation, and so that it will be open to all of you. So please feel free to say about the things that you would like to talk about. First, here we have Mr. Subhash Prabhu, the Minister of Commerce of India. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure being here.
Here we have among us Mr. Rajneesh Kumar, the Chairman of SBI, which is the largest bank in India. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
We are then drawn by the estimable Sir Martin Sorrell.
Estimable. I never been called estimable.
Basically, the most famous advertising executive tycoon in the world, the CEO of WPP. Next, we have amongst us Ms. Chetna, one of the chairs and foundation of the Mandeshi Foundation, which is one of the great organizations in India. Welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So we would like to begin this discussion. So I would begin with you, Mr. Suresh Prabhu. My Indian friends told me from many years that India is going to win the race against China. And I would say Indians are supposed to be good at maths. China's economy is 3 times as that of India's and is growing faster. So do you have any hope that you were talking about achieving 8% to 9% of growth, which is really very neat to break the back of poverty?
Finally, here I don't think that we are in a competition with any other country in the world. That comparison should be made by people, as we always have some issues.
It was made by Kamal Nath, by the way, a predecessor of your office.
We should not deprive him of honor of doing that. So here we can see that India's economy is growing, and we have always been that doubling of economy should happen in a matter of time, to 6 to 7 inevitably. But with the current pandemic, we may fight back and come. So it's a matter of time, I can say. So I can say that India is going to grow for another 40 years of time. We don't know. I may be not there. You may be there, as you're older than me.
So well, let me ask you, Mr. Rajneesh, as you run the largest bank in India, the state-owned bank, have I think 75% savings of the Indian people. And yet, HDFC, a private bank, has larger market capital than every state-owned bank combined. So isn't that market telling you that you're merely inefficient and you shouldn't be in this business?
Yeah, I think there are lots of misunderstandings around this issue. Number one, an apple cannot be compared to an orange. So HDFC is a private bank and has a different strategy than public sector banks. So it's possible for a country like India to provide services for the masses as public banks are doing it. Apple and Apple.
So well, I would like to ask you one more question. Do you think that rise of smartphones is your principal challenge or principal opportunity? Because when I look at what is happening in India, there are 700 million smartphones. Now these people have biometric IDs. They can do cashless transactions. So how do you remind them and insert yourself in the middle of this relation and say that I'm a bank and I want to be the guy doing banking, not your phone company?
No, I think that the telecom company are becoming payments banks and the mainstream banks are now depending on technology. And we have invested heavy in the technology where are many applicants created for the people.
1 minute, wait. I'm scared by the questions. Kill the questions. Wow. I wonder what you're saving out for me.
You get the easy one.
Thank God for that.
So I'd like to ask you, what is it that you feel a foreign investor, as my experience to talking to a foreign investor is that they look like a burden on India?
Our clients and ourselves, where we are looking for the growth and the population of India would be the most populated country in the planet within 15 to 20 years. A young population and a technological advanced population, and the MNC wouldn't have much choice. I believe all this takes place under good leadership. And there's something about the leaders whose name begins with M, like Michael, Theresa May, maybe.
You just spoiled the point.
But he really made many reforms, and I would bet on Modi, and I would bet on India. Oh, I should use the word invest. I would invest on India, and I see India is really primed for the future.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, Ms. Chetna, I would ask you, India has always had a very powerful female goddesses. For example, Durga, Kali. Amidst, we had the first women prime minister. And yet there's enormous physical abuse of women. So what is your assessment of where women are in India?
Yes, so that's a really challenging. I can't still try to glamorize everything, but the challenge is that the safety and security of the women in India is an issue. So as Modi said, we have to provide a red carpet for the street vendors, especially women and the micro enterprises and the easy businesses. They will create jobs. If women are safer and secure, they will drive the economy.
Yeah, that's a great vision to bring into reality. Well, that was a great discussion. We are running out of time, so we wind up this discussion here. A fascinating panel, and thank you all for joining this discussion. Thank you.
Okay, good. Now coming to your social media.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is displaying?
Vasavi will be doing it.
Okay.
So
Yes,
is
you
it-
are able to see.
yes.
Only thing you can go for slideshow.
So this is the poster which we created.
Hmm.
And next slide. And the LinkedIn profiles, everyone posted in their own account. So we got around 16 to 20 views, sir, and reactions.
Okay.
And in Instagram, we have around 144 followers, and we got 91 likes, sir.
Anybody from outside India? Like that
Outside,
one?
no one, sir.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay, nice. So you have presented nicely, and first I have to appreciate how you designed that one. Huh? Your background designs, and especially Rosemary started with a nice intro of all those things that I like that. Then Vasavi Gowda, how she defended and how human empowerment has been made. That is very nice thing. Only one thing, you can change according to the present trend also. Huh? Now everybody is telling about the Mamata Banerjee, the tigress of Bengal. Okay, like that. If you want, you can add something. Then even the two boys, Vignesh and Vicky, they also climb to the human empowerment nicely. And Vignesh voice is absolutely good. I think he practiced nice. Huh? Is it correct, Vignesh? Yeah.
Yes, sir. We practice, sir.
Good. And Vicky, you can see already with the nice background, even though he joined late, he made it his presence nicely, slow and steady. That I like that one. Good, guys. We will meet next week.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice presentation. Good. What happened? Uday Kumar. Umek Bra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Sunil. Santosh Babu. Yamini Raj. Yes, Yamini Rajkumar.
Yes, sir.
Then Yamini Kaliwala. Yes, she has also there. Sunil.
Yes, sir.
That's
Excuse me, sir.
Sunil. Yes.
Sir, Shailesh present.
Okay, ma. Vishal Sarkar. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vatsala. Then Yash. Yashavani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Then Vignesh, Vicky, Rosemary, Vasavi Gada, they are all there. Pratibha. There. Yashwant Kumar. Good. Mohammed Shaheeb.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Neha.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yashwant Kumar.
Sanjeev. Vikas.
Yes, sir.
Sandhya. Rachida. Okay. Sagar.
Yes, sir.
Venkata Durga Prasad, Smurti, Sneha, Ruben Alex, sorry, Ruben Abhilash. Not there.
Present, sir.
Okay,
Hello.
good.
They are both with two Vikas. Which one? Sir?
Who? Because yes, I am not called. Wait, Sharan,
Yes, sir.
Shivaranjani,
Yes, sir.
Vikas, yes. Okay. Roja, Prajual, Pramod. Okay, students.
Sir, Tejaswini present, sir.
Yes, I noted, ma.
Sir,
One of them, I have seen your face, I noted.
Sir, Sayyid also, sir.
But your face is not coming, Sayed.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
what?
Present.
Yeah. If your face is appearing, I have given. Okay, dear students.
Sir, no.
Yes, no problem. I noted down. I am recording, so your face will be there in the YouTube.
Thank you,
Don't
sir.
worry. Okay, we'll
Thank you,
meet
sir.
next week. Possibly next
Thank
week,
you,
if
sir.
it is a holiday, we'll have some other day class. Okay, bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.